Hey everybody, and welcome along to the video today. Today's video is of Gary Vaynerchuk. It's a, how should I say, cartoon me drawing of Gary, which I actually promised to make in his comment section in a video he uploaded. So here it is, promise kept. So we start with the Loomis method as usual, with the circle, the chopped off sides. I actually started here with his head to a certain tilt and I wasn't happy with it. So I ended up changing that tilt. But yeah, as I draw this, I remember I was talking yesterday about styles, and this style is really developing. It's a cartoony type, reflection of the person themselves. So basically what I do is I study the face for a while, look for certain shapes, then I'd put an underdrawing, which is what I'm doing at the moment. By the way, the program I use is called Procreate, and yeah, as I say, it's an underdrawing, and then I'll go in with a heavier kind of like a fine marker, and that really kind of gives it a more cartoony look. Once I'm kind of happy with the underdrawing, then I'll move on. So as you can see here, Gary himself would, how should I say it, he has a very good jaw, for drawing, so that was very pronounced. As I say, like, it's not really a caricature, like I'm not exaggerating anything really on Gary's face, it's just more cartoony like. So we have a base here to work off of, and unlike yesterday's one, I actually used a few layers in this drawing for shadows and colors, like skin colors. Later on you'll see that. And yeah, just to talk a little bit about Gary himself, he's the founder of Vayner Media. Gary Vaynerchuk or something is his full name, but he's kind of like a motivational speaker, very popular, has many social media channels and lots of employees, but yeah, I find him very good to watch. He's entertaining and he is also motivational, and which is why I did this. I made a promise that I'd draw it, and I am drawing it. I might be only talking to myself here, but however, it's a promise kept, and we plow on, and however popular we are, we just have to keep going, don't we? So if you are listening out there, whoever you are, yeah, please like and subscribe, and it'd be muchly appreciated, and hit the notification bell. As I say, like, I'm just going to be uploading these kind of drawings, and if you have any questions on how I go about drawing them, there's no problem, put it down in the comment section and we'll see what we can do. But yeah, just continuing on here with the drawing now, there was a certain stage where I didn't think I was kind of getting any likeness of Gary, but I just, I think that was more to do with, the white background, and we didn't have any kind of contrasting colors really in yet. It wasn't until I started to shade and put in kind of skin tone and, the darker shadows in his face, that it began to come together for me. And especially just a little bit towards the end, where you'll definitely know it's Gary, because as everybody knows, well, people that follow Gary understand that his dream is to own the New York Jets football team, American football team. So basically I get him a green jacket with the Jets written on it. You're welcome, Gary. It's one step closer. You can keep that jacket if you like. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking and let this video play out. Yeah, as I say, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.